Hi, I just wanted to go over the schedule with you because we do move quite fast through the course. It may not be something you're used to if this is your first online course or possibly your first online course in this program or in any of the health professions programs. One thing to look at is that everything is listed out per week. There's 7 weeks in the course. We do have assignments due the very first week, and I've tried to provide some videos and some scripts for additional information about the major assignments. But I do strongly urge you to look at all the assignments, make sure you look at the rubrics, and understand exactly what's going to be asked of you as you move through the course. So in the first week and every week, you're going to do your BioSig authentication. Your modules actually won't open until you do that. So weekly, you'll have to do your BioSig authentication. Before the course even opens, you need to answer the question about the plagiarism quiz also. Okay, so we have those kind of set in so that you can't really even get into the course until you acknowledge the plagiarism statement, and every week you have to do that BioSig authentication, and that is just part of our accreditation, and it's required of all of our online classes. So in the first week, you're going to either set up, if you don't have a BioSig, or authenticate yourself if you do already have a BioSig. You only have to set it up once, so you don't have to keep setting it up numerous times. You're going to complete the Respondus practice quiz by Sunday at midnight. You're going to sign into discussion board and upload a picture of yourself and any other information that you want to share. That is due by Wednesday at midnight, and then your 2 responses to peers are due by Sunday at midnight. You're also going to complete the heritage assessment, and there's instructions for that on Blackboard. That's due on Sunday. So you'll notice that week 1 due dates are different from the whole rest of the course. In weeks 2 through 6, our activities are listed as on the schedule, but in week 1, your activities are due on Sunday, and that's just so that we can give you a full week since the course won't officially start until Monday. So in week 2, again, we've got the assignment of what you're to read, do your BioSig authentication, and then you're going to take your first test. All the tests are open book. You will have only 1 attempt, so please make sure that you're prepared to take the tests before you get started. And then I'm not going to go through every week what's due because you guys can do that yourself. I did just want to make sure that you can see where the weeks, the assignments, and then also what items are to be completed. I color-coded them just to make it easier for you to find, like, what's a test, what's an assignment. But remember, in weeks 2 through 6, all your discussion board first posting is due on Tuesday, and your final postings and all assignments are due on Friday by 11:59 or midnight. In week 7 now, there is a different due date because we close the course at noon on Friday of week 7. So again, you'll do a BioSig authentication, you'll finish your exam, which will open on Tuesday at 5, and it will close at noon on Friday. You'll also have to do your discussion board postings. The first one's due on Tuesday, and then the second and third ones are due by Friday at noon. So please make note of those different dates and times. Let me know if you have questions about the schedule. It's easy to reach me via email, and I will be happy to go over anything with you. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the course.